Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of editing a YouTube comment. If you've ever posted a comment and realized you made a mistake or want to make changes, this full guide is for you. To begin, make sure you have the official YouTube app downloaded from the Play Store. If you haven't done so already, go to the Play Store and in the search bar, type YouTube. Look for the app with a square red and white play button. Tap on it, then tap Install. Wait for the app to finish downloading, and once it's done, tap on Open to launch it. Once you have the YouTube app installed, sign into your account. This step is mandatory to manage and edit your comments. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're signed in, follow these steps to edit a comment. Step 1. Find a YouTube video where you have left a comment. Step 2. Scroll down below the video and tap on Comments located below the channel's name. Step 3. Look for your comment among the list of comments. Step 4. Tap on the 3 stacked dots located next to your comment. Step 5. From the options that appear, tap on Edit. Step 6. Edit the content of your comment according to your desired changes. Step 7. Once you're done editing, tap on the blue paper airplane icon to save your changes. That's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully edit a YouTube comment and make the necessary adjustments. Please note that once a comment is edited, the updated version will replace the original comment. Take your time to review your changes before saving them. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative guides. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.